Jeff. Perfect. Oh my god! He almost threw me off the map!
Furry!
Fairy! Fairy! Shoot the fairy! Shoot the fairy!
Ow!
Shoot him!
Ow! Ow!
There you go, bro.
I'm still on point! I'm still on point!
We are Groot!
Give me the fuck up! Give me the fuck up!
I'm gonna make it
Gonna
back.
pull us off the map, bro. Oh!
No. That shit is
All of
Oh, the moon.
Oh,
the backline.
I can't do this anymore.
Big man ting is up my ass!
Big man ting down, big man ting down.
Fire again!
Swallow, who are you swallowing?
I got fired! Oh, this guy's got thrown off the map by own Jeff!
Ah! Ah!
I got you! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him!
Oh, there's another one! He's dead!
Get him up! Get him up! Get him off the point! Get him off the point! Get the healers off the point!
He's dead! He's dead! Get the rope! Get the rope!
Fuck!
Fuck! I'm dead!
Bucket! Yes! 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 Push him! Push him! Push him! Get him off the... Get him off the...
Final score 2-1.
Fuck.
What the fuck was that game, bro?